Hello and welcome. Let's install a PinePhone OS on an SD card. In this video we are using a Linux system to install the OS. First we start Etcher. We pick Flash from File. We choose the OS we want to install. For this example I've picked Manjaro ARM Fosh Beta 11. Next we pick the device. After we have picked our device, we press Flash. We just type in our password and go on. Then we have to wait for some time. Now we have a prepared SD card and we can simply put it into our PinePhone. The PinePhone will boot the new OS from the SD card automatically. Thank you for watching.